The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So in this video I'm gonna let you know that how you can get target audience for email marketing. I mean, how you can get your email list for target audience to promote affiliate or CPA offers. So last day I uploaded a poll and asking you guys that what you want to see in my YouTube channel. So you voted this one that you want a video related to email marketing. That's why I am uploading this video today. So also some of you interested in email marketing, I mean Instagram marketing, so I'll show the method in next of this video. Now let's see how you can do this. Before I start the tutorial, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get and hit the notification bell for new videos update at first. Now you can join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates as well. Here in this group we upload videos and methods and tools for digital marketing. So yeah, this will help you. So I hope you are gonna like this group, so you can apply here. Okay, so get back to the video today. So at first you have to come over to your Instagram account via your Google Chrome browser. Make sure that you logged into your Instagram account, and then you had to use this tool. So this tool called Profile Bot, I will give the link in video description so that you will get access to this tool for 3 days or 4 days trial. So make sure that you get the link for this tool from my video description. Anyway, so with this tool you will able to find out users, Instagram users following data or username and hashtags. So let's see how you can do this. Now you can find out, I mean you can manage followers, I mean users data from their users following from hashtags or from a specific post or any particular comment or liking. So here let's say Akira Torium is a creator for this cartoon Dragon Ball Z. So here this comment we get a lot of engagement. Now we just gonna get the link of that post, and here we will use that link to get the users data who comment or like in this post. So you can see whenever I just click on start and give the link here, it will start to generate the commenters who comment here. And also here if we check on the liker option, so it will bring out all the likers who like this post, and you can see their profile image and username and how many followers they have and what comment they do and when usually they like the comment, and in their profile how they have comment percentage. Anyway, so after you get all the users data, you can download it, and after download you will see this file like this. So you don't have to, or just give a little extension here that .csv after in this profile rename. And now you can see when you open with Microsoft Excel with this file, you will see the profile links and the post date and how many post count. But here we are going to use the usernames of those accounts. So copy the usernames. Now we are going to use the next tool to analyze the users. Now when you click on this, now as you already get the username of the user, so just copy the usernames and get back to the tool and paste here all the usernames. Now you can just remove that username option and click on submit. So okay, it's telling me that I can add, it's a basic account, so I'm not able to extract more than 2000 in a moment. So just I remove some of data and now I start this. So you can see that it asks for a set name for the data. You can give any name what you want. Now it's again asking for me to what the file, what the fields I want. So for this I just want the emails, and we can get the phone numbers as well. So I just want this, but if you want all this information, so you can go with this. But remember that as much as you select, it will take more time to generate all the data. Now after click on start, you can see that it start extracting all the data one by one. So you can see total users here 1000, more than 1000. So it will process one by one all and bring out the possible data. So for getting much more quicker, you can get their booster package. So we're gonna see next, but as we just get all the result here, so we just stop this and let's see the results here. So you can see that we got the username, the full name, the first name, and the profiling, and the most important part, what we are going to look at, the email address we got for those users. So we are going to use this. So this is the target audience we got. Now we can use those emails to send our service, to sell them. We can email them. But before discuss more, let's see what else we can do with this tool. So we can analyze our competitors with this tool. So suppose this profile is our competitor and we want to analyze him and his followers. So we just give here the username of that account, and if we just click on analyze, then it will analyze all the followers and its activity, how it's growing. So we can use this data to grow our own Instagram profile and make it a good and professional profile. So there's a lot of uses of these tools. You will get enough time to check this, and if you want to get this tool, so you can just click on the link in video description and you will able to get 4 days free subscription of that tool. And you can see the profile is that if you want, you can have it this tool for lifetime with just the $49 and lifetime access, and you will able to do whatever you want, unlimited access. So this is a pretty good and amazing Instagram tool. So as we get our target audience, now we can use those lists to get to give our ad in Facebook and able to reduce our ad cost and get as the best results in Facebook ads we can create a custom audience from it, and after that we will create a lookalike audience and we can give the ad. So as all the audience are targeted and we are just double it as a lookalike audience in Facebook, so if we just give a ad based on the target audience offer, so I'm pretty sure that we will get a good results in our ads, what campaign we run related to those list. Now after you upload your list, you will have to just create a lookalike audience and map the special field like the email field and date of birth or phone field, and you can just skip the fields what you don't want and just make ad based on that lookalike audience. So if you want a full video on this, so you can just comment below. I will make a full ad campaign video for you guys. New videos. And okay, so in this last video I got some engagement and some comment that you guys want to know more methods that how you can earn cryptocurrency. So I hope I can show you is an easy method that without doing anything you can earn from your mobile or from your desktop cryptocurrency. So stay tuned to my video and you can subscribe my channel.